How to open IRA account on Webull. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can open an IRA account on Webull. So before you can open an IRA account, you'll have to first of all open an individual account. Now once you have an individual account, simply log into your account. Now once you've logged in, your homepage will look somewhat like this, where you'll have to simply tap on the individual tab which is on the top left side of the screen. After that, a drop down box will appear where you'll have to tap on the option IRA. After that, once you're on this page, tap on the option Open Account. Now, once you've done that, you'll have to enter your personal information in this page, such as your country of current residence, first name, middle name, last name, gender, date of birth, marital status, number of dependents, ID number, ID expiration type, select date, etc. Now, once you've entered and confirmed all of your personal information, tap on the option Next. Now, you'll have to select an IRA type. Now, remember, once you select your IRA type, you will not be able to change it once you have selected. So be careful while selecting an IRA type in this space. Now, once you've chosen an IRA type, simply choose trading privileges. Now, if you choose options, you'll have to answer the following questions over here and then tap on the option Continue. Now, finally, you'll have to scroll to the bottom side of the screen and you'll have to read the disclosures before signing. Now, tap on the option I agree. And now your application has been submitted for approval. And once the application is approved, you will have successfully opened an IRA account on Webull. So that was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys. And if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.